This is Chris Kelly with your week 2 and 4 advanced core circuit. Now in today's core circuit, once again, we are targeting the side abs or the obliques, all right? And the key here is our side plank variations. So while we did our side plank pulls in week 1 and 3, I'm going to show you a little bit different variation of that today. And once again, the goal is to count the numbers that we're able to do in our 2 exercises that I'm going to demonstrate today. For our first exercise, we're actually going to focus on a dead bug exercise, or one on our back, all right? What we're going to do for this is we're going to take I have an Eric's pad here. It's just something that we use in our gym, but you can use a pillow or even a play ball, just something to squeeze between your feet. All right, I want to tighten my abs, press my back into the ground as much as I can. The key is to keep it there. I'm going to raise this down, or raise this up in the air, just lower this down as much as I can. All right, squeezing this thing hard is going to intensify our squeeze in our abs here, especially our side obliques. From here, we're just going to take our arms, reach straight overhead, and just move slowly. I'm coming back together. I'm going to press my hands together, squeeze, and come back. All right, I want you to just think about staying tight, pressing together, and keeping your legs as low to the ground as you can. Squeeze the ball, keep your abs tight. If you feel your back start to arch, you can lift it up or bend your knees to make that easier. Now for our second exercise, we can use our pad kind of just as or our pillow just kind of as a pad here. And I'll show you 2 levels of difficulty. So our exercise is going to be, once again, we're going to side plank pulse, but we're going to do it a little bit differently. We're going to pulse up and move the arm up at the same time. So we pulse up, arm comes up, and you'll notice I'm not coming down quite as far. The biggest thing with this is the lowering part, all right? The slower I lower, the better off we're going to be. But once again, this pulsing idea is really going to engage the right muscles. To make that harder, we just simply straighten the legs out, make sure everything is nice and flat, and extend my hips forward, pulse up, hold, and come back down. It's not necessarily a quick thing. I'm squeezing at the top to make sure that I'm getting it here, and I'm coming back down. All right, once again, the key is we have 50 seconds in each position. So we have our lowering on the floor, side plank to the left, side plank to the right. So we start over. That would be 3 rounds for each. If we're going for 10 minutes, and then you would have a fourth, which would be the one on the floor. So once again, count your reps, post your best numbers in our challenge group, and enjoy your circuit.